When the rain comes, it reminds me of I hide my sadness behind a smile and use an umbrella in the rain. I hide my trust behind a lie and tarnish silver with a stain. I cry at trains so nobody will notice my tears. Absence make the heart grow fonder, and tears are only rain to make love grow. I'm still silent to respect the rain who made me remember you, to prove that I'm still loving you as the greatness of the rain. I give her sadness and the gift of pain, a new moon madness and a love of rain. I love walking in the rain because no one can see me keep crying.
I had a young boy's heart. You held it in your hands right from the start. You say, hold me hard before you.
Let there be sunshine, let there be rain. Let the broken heart love again. You can hide beneath the covers and study your pain. Make crosses from lovers, throw roses in the rain, waste your summer praying in vain for a savior to rise from the streets.
It couldn't get much worse. Living through the terrors, either blessed or your curse. You say, hold me hard before you go. Hold me 'cause I need you so. Babe, don't let them break you down. Don't let them wear you out. Kiss my
The rain reminds me how lonely my soul is as it put me peacefully to sleep. On rainy days, I miss you the most with sadness.
from the start.
Do not be angry with the rain. It simply does not know how to fall upwards. It always rains the hardest on the people who deserve the sun. I like it when it rains hard. It sounds like white noise everywhere, which is like silence but not empty. Some people walk in the rain, others just get wet. There are many things I do for amusement, but for happiness, I like to gather up my memories and go for a walk in the rain.
Saying many things that are hurtful. Your tear shed eyes, your fragile.
In what language does rain fall over tormented cities?
I know December's hard to cope with. I know I cost you lots of pain. But I did not mean to let
The sound of rain needs no translation.
you smile fade away. I remember when we used to lay on the grass and watch the sun.
After rain comes the fair weather.
I let you pass by. I know I've said so many things that are hurtful. I know December's hard to cope with. I know I cost you lots of pain. But I did not mean to let you down this way. But I know
I have always considered the rain to be healing, a blanket, the comfort of a friend. The way you see it, if you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain.